In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently summarize a YouTube video using Microsoft Copilot. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to save time or want to get the gist of a video without watching it in entirety. We'll walk through the steps one by one, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome, as it tends to work smoothly with many applications you might use during this process. Once your browser is open, head over to Google. You simply type google.com into the address bar and press enter. Now that we're on Google, our next task is to navigate over to YouTube. You can do this by typing youtube.com directly into the address bar above. Or, if you're already on the Google homepage, simply click the YouTube link at the top right of the page. Now that we're on YouTube, it's time to find the video you want to summarize. You might already have something in mind, or you can use the search bar at the top of the page to explore a topic of interest. Once you've found a video that you'd like to summarize, click on it to start playing. But don't worry, you don't need to watch it just yet. With the video open, the next step is to copy the link. You'll find the video's URL in the address bar at the top of your browser. Click to highlight the entire link. Right-click, and then select Copy from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use your keyboard shortcuts, which are Command+C on a Mac or Control+C on a Windows PC, to copy the link more quickly. Once you've copied the video link, it's time to head over to Microsoft Copilot. Open a new tab and type in the URL or search for Microsoft Copilot in your search engine and click on the appropriate link. Once there, you should see an interface that allows you to interact with Copilot in various ways. Paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into the provided field. You can right-click and select Paste, or use Command+V on a Mac or Control+V on a Windows PC to quickly paste the link. This allows Microsoft Copilot to know which video you want to focus on. Now, you need to create a prompt for Copilot. In this case, type in, "Summarize this YouTube video." This will instruct Copilot on what action to perform with the video link you've just pasted. Finally, go ahead and click the Submit button. Once you do that, Microsoft Copilot will begin processing the link and generating a summary of the video content. It only takes a few moments, and you'll soon have a concise summary at your fingertips. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to quickly obtain summaries from YouTube videos, making your research or personal learning incredibly efficient.